We are going to answer a quick astronomy question. Which of these statements is not true of the jovians, meaning the gas giants Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune? Option A. They all lie at least 5 AU from the Sun. Option B. They all have rings around their equators. Option C. They all spin slower than the Earth. Option D. They have satellite systems with at least 8 moons. Option E. They are all less dense than any of the terrestrials, including our moon. First, let's keep our 4 Jovian planets in view: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Let's test statement A. All lie beyond 5 AU. We'll sketch a simple distance line in AU from 0 to 30. Jupiter is at about 5.2 AU, Saturn about 9.5, Uranus about 19, and Neptune about 30. They are all at or beyond 5 AU. So statement A is true. Now statement B. All have rings around their equators. Even Jupiter has a faint ring. Saturn's are bright, and Uranus and Neptune also have rings. We'll draw a thin ring around each of our Jovian disks. Therefore, statement B is true. Now statement C. They all spin slower than Earth. Slower spin means a longer rotation period than Earth's 24 hours. But the Jovians actually have shorter periods, which means they spin faster. We'll compare rotation periods in hours with a simple bar chart. Notice every Jovian bar is shorter than Earth's bar. So it is not true that they spin slower than Earth. Statement C is false. Statement D. Each has at least 8 moons. Jupiter and Saturn have over 80 known moons each. Uranus has 27. Neptune has 14. We'll list counts next to each planet. Since each count is 8 or more, statement D is true. Finally, statement E. All are less dense than any of the terrestrial worlds, including the moon. The moon's average density is about 3.34 grams per cubic centimeter. The Jovians have densities between about 0.7 and 1.6. We'll draw a quick bar comparison. Moon at 3.34, Jupiter 1.33, Saturn 0.69, Uranus 1.27, Neptune 1.64. All the Jovian bars are below the moon's bar, so statement E is true. We checked each statement. A is true, B is true, D is true, and E is true. C says they all spin slower than Earth, but they actually spin faster. Therefore, the statement that is not true is option C.